ILD GSR Drive presents the first exclusive address of South Gurgaon. ILD GSR Drive is the upcoming project of residential segment in south of Gurgaon by ILD. This project is a well-planned gated residential development widespread in total land area of 25 acres. ILD GSR Drive offers 2 and 3 BHK apartments within an affordable range. Located in the most desired locations of Sector 36 Sona, South Gurgaon, the project is in close proximity to IMT Sona. Inspiring a sophisticated and elegant lifestyle for its residents, this project is meticulously designed by Hafiz contractor. It is located right at the foothills of Aravali range, which gives it a scenic landscape view. It has one-of-its-kind beach-edge swimming pools with a luxurious pool deck. What else? Actual size football field is here right below your home. Golf course extension road and Sona road is just 10 minutes drive from this project. GSR Drive is well connected to NH8 via Rajiv Chowk, Gurgaon and NH2 via Palwal Sona Road on NH13. This stretch offers a strategic blend of accessibility and convenient living to the residents. More than 10 acres of total land area has colossal central greens with plantation of palm trees. If you are looking for the perfect combination of modernity and serenity, then ILD GSR Drive is the right choice for you.
BookMyHouse.com. Buy from developers directly.